Hi, let me show you how to change color of time on iPhone lock screen. For that, first thing we are gonna need is to press and hold current lock screen to edit it. For that, enter your passcode and click Customize. Then you should see two options, Customize lock screen and home screen. So tap on your lock screen and simply tap on time. Now we can easily change its font style as well as color. For that, click on any different option from the list. In some of them you can change intensities, you can see, like that. And also you can click on this palette right here, choose color from grid, or you can use spectrum. So drag this dot across this palette, and also you can use sliders. So this is how you can use them. Also you can click on this icon right here and simply find the right color from your wallpaper on lock screen. For example, this one. And here you'll see its numbers, values, and this is how it will look. Now all is left is to click done to save changes, and this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.